Alright guys, we're going to just slide into this launch today. Not even gonna. Hopefully this works out for me and doesn't end bad.
That almost went very bad, people.
Oh, that was awesome.
That's exactly what I was afraid would happen.
I'm good. That was funny though. Woo! Just a little exploring right now, guys. Was fishing, not really catching anything. Now I'm just kind of exploring, checking it all out. Looking like some good terrain. I might have to come back here on a high tide and check this area out, because it's probably pretty epic, honestly. Because it's absolutely beautiful back here. Me and my buddy's kayak, Nathan's. Just canal after canal after canal. We're just kind of exploring. We're not really even trying to fish really anymore. We're just scoping it out, the scene. Really nice back here.